Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Quizlet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account using your email address and your password or your social accounts. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to change your password, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on Your Settings. From the Your Settings page, underneath Personal Information, you will find the Change Password option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will first be asked to enter your current password. Type in the current password that you are using to log into your account within the current password box, and then enter your desired new password within the middle New Password section. Finally, enter this new password once again for confirmation, and after entering both your new password as well as your old password, tap on the Save button, and now this will change your password within your Quizlet account right away. You will then be able to use this new password along with your original email address to log back into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on Quizlet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.